Most people think you need 1,000 subscribers before you can make money on YouTube, but that's not true. I started making money at just 50 subscribers. $10 here, $30 there, and it's not life-changing money, but it's validation that you're on the right track. And today I'm showing you exactly how to do it using Amazon Associates. It's the easiest first income stream for any small channel. And I did a video a few months ago about making money on YouTube without subscribers, and I'll link it up here. The question I got asked the most was, how do these affiliates work? So in this video, I wanted to break down how I make money with Amazon affiliates, or associates as they're better known. I'm also going to talk about how this is different from Amazon influencers, because I think these two get confused a lot of times. And how you can potentially make money without 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Because when people think of getting paid on YouTube, they mostly think about money that YouTube pays you to post a video. But you probably already know that you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you ever get paid anything from YouTube. But this is the way to get paid before you ever reach that threshold. And today we're going to talk about it, because it really is the easiest and fastest way to make your first dollar, your $10, $50 on YouTube. This is the first layer of your income stack. Hey, I'm Dee Dee Parody, and I've been on YouTube for over 2 years with a couple of different channels. And I started this channel in October of 2025, just a few months ago, because I wanted to show other people my age that it is possible to start a channel and make money just by posting what you do and what you know and what you're passionate about. And you may be thinking that, well, $10, that's nothing. But it really is validation that you're on the right track and people are hearing what you're saying. And that validation is so important. And your income, it's going to stack up over time. $20 here, $100 there. Over time, it really starts to add up quickly. So let's talk about Amazon Associates program versus Amazon Influencer program. The Amazon Associates gives you affiliate links that you can post in your YouTube description. You can also post it on your social media pages, on your blogs or your website if you have one. You don't need a big audience to get approved. Now, Amazon Influencer program is different. In this program, you get a special storefront. You can put product videos on Amazon product pages, kind of like reviews. You can do live streams, and you also can get bonuses like possible brand deals through Amazon and free products. But this one requires an audience that has engagement. And what I mean by engagement is that people are commenting on your videos. They're commenting on social media. They're DMing you and sharing your post. And Amazon really wants to see this engagement before you get approved. So if you have a small channel, you'll want to go the Amazon Associates route to begin with. And here's how it works. And this is the way I did it. And as soon as I had my channel set up, I applied. And here is the website. It's affiliate-program.amazon.com. Or you can just search Amazon Associates. I know there's a lot of vowels here, Amazon, Associates, Affiliates, but this one is the one you need to get started with. You'll sign up and you'll put in all your websites. And by websites, I mean your YouTube channel, your Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. But you got to put in the whole URL, not just the name of your channel. And be careful when you fill this out and include all the channels that you're going to be posting links on. They won't tie together if you don't list it here. And you can always go back later and add more if you add an Instagram or if you add a TikTok. But once you're approved, and some people don't get approved the first time for various reasons, just wait the specified time it tells you, fix your errors, and try it again. The only requirement is that you make at least 3 sales in 180 days. And once you're approved, you're going to log into your Amazon account. And this is the one where you actually make purchases on Amazon. And at the top, you're going to see a bar and it says SiteStripe. So then you can search for any product that you were thinking about selling on YouTube. And once you're on that page on Amazon, at the top, you're going to see Get Link. And you'll just click that button and get the link. So then you want to copy that link, and I usually paste mine in either a Notes app or a Google Doc, and I put a description so I can always keep up with what it is, so that when I'm writing my YouTube descriptions, they're there and I can find them a little bit easier. Now the good part here, how do you get people to click on your links? For some channels, this is a little bit easier than others. Let's take a fashion channel for instance. They may show themselves wearing an outfit and they talk about the outfit, how comfy they are and all the benefits. And then they just say, hey, this all came from Amazon and the link is in the description. Maybe if you're a Bible study channel and you use a prayer journal or a Bible study book, if it's for sale on Amazon, you can link it in the description. Any kind of tool or product, maybe it's paintbrushes or wreaths or sewing needles or cooking supplies, anything that you can find on Amazon, you can link it in your description. But you got to tell people in your video that that's where it came from. So let me give you an example here. I bought this shirt on Amazon and it is super comfy. So guess what? I bought it in 2 other colors because I liked it so much. I bought it in hot pink and a moss green. And I also got these little silver, if you can see it around my hair here, these little silver hoop earrings. And the links are in the description. So you see what I did there? I gave you the benefits of the shirt. It's very comfy. It comes in multiple colors. And I got it from Amazon. So the link is in my description. But I spoke about it naturally in the video. I also talk about all the gear that I'm using here. My camera, my teleprompter, my lights, this little mic. It all came from Amazon. So I can put the links in my description. And you can click on my description and see how it looks down here. And when somebody clicks on the link and they make any kind of purchase within 24 hours, I make a small commission. And I mean, they can purchase anything, not just the mics or the lights. Anything else that goes into that shopping cart, I get a commission on it. But you can't forget to put the disclaimer in your description about the affiliate commissions. Put it where it's visible in your description. It's very important. And I have this wording right here that says, links in this description are affiliate links, and if you purchase through them, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. And you can find all of these do's and don'ts on this Creator University page after you've been accepted. So I suggest you go through that Creator University. Once you're accepted and your channel starts growing and you really getting people to engage in the comments and in your DMs, that's when you can go back and apply for the influencer program if that's something you want to do. Think of associates as your starting point, your jumping off point to making money. And since I started my channel about 5 months ago, I've made about $85, and I don't even mention my links very often. Imagine if I talk about them in each video. I know this is not life-changing money, but it compounds over time and it becomes a part of your income stack. Don't you want to make all the money you can make, not just some of it? And once you figured it all out and set it into place, you can then start thinking about other affiliate programs like software, like Canva, Descript. There's so many out there. There's anything you can promote on your channel, you could probably find an affiliate for it. And this is how you can make your first dollars on YouTube without 1,000 subscribers. But you have to start posting for that to happen. And to post your first video, watch this video next where I talk about how to record on your cell phone. And good luck with your affiliate links. And if you need help at all, just ask me in the comments. And I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.